We have a nice box here. Not this box, but it is a nice box that the box comes in. And you got a nice dresser. You want to place this on top. And it's not just one box. You put your jewelry. You can put anything in here that you want. And it has a little lock. So we're going to open this up. There's this little tab here. It lifts up. That's your handle as well. It's made of wood. And it sits back like so. You don't want to force it. And everything's all nicely laid out. You have another box that resembles the large box. And this is the smaller box right here. And it does the same exact thing. It lifts up. And inside the small box is divided. You could put your jewelry, your perfume, your little hobbies, whatnot. And you open up this little pouch that supplies a padlock, not one, two, with two sets of keys. And they open up and they lock. And you simply just take this, close it, take the padlock, slide it through the best you can, make sure everything's closed, and then you lock things up. And now you can't get into it, and that's what it looks like. When you're ready to open up your lock, you grab the set of keys. It's just basically to keep, things closed, if you want to go out, and so forth. You put the key in, you unlock it, and you're able to get inside. Now it does have a tray inside, a piece of wood that you're going to put in the middle so you can divide your things. It slides in and it locks up like so. Now you have a divider like the small one. Over here you can put little things as well, your instruction guide how to use it. Then you can close things up. You have two nice, beautiful lock boxes, jewelry, and so forth.